friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Manual, and today we are going to create this upper housing of lower assembly. And last time we have created and that motor. So let's start. In this drawing we have four view. One is front and one section side view and one more side view and one top view. So I will start with this front view. So let's start with the sketcher and click here, and I will start with this circle, and the diameter of the circle is 12. Now fit it, create a line, dimension this line, and I'm not creating this, and at the last we will create this hole on this side portion. So change this dimension as 12. 12 is the diameter, and now close this and trim this portion. Create one more circle, and this circle is 1.5 or 3 diameter. Now finish this and maximize this. Now extrude this symmetrically, and 8 is a 8 means 4 symmetrically 4. So again I will select this plane. Now I will draw this curve, and I will start with the arc. Now draw a line and dimension this. So my sketch is fully constrained. Now finish this, and now I will create one new plane, reverse direction with the offset of 8.15. Enter, and on this plane I will draw this section view. Just select sketch and click OK. And this rectangle, just orient the view as 0, close. Now dimension, this dimension is 5.75, and this is 4.2, and close this. Now these 2 points will be coincident, and delete this. We don't need this. Now finish the sketch. Again create a new plane at this point and click OK. Undo. Select a new plane, and this rectangle plane will pass over this point. Adjust dimension. Now I will create on this plane. Select the sketch and click OK, and I will create a rectangle. This distance is 5.27 and this is 7.25, and close this. and now finish the sketch. And now I want to create a knob shape. With the help of this step command, I will create my first section is this, add new section, second section is this, and my guide, is this. Now click apply or interpolation as cubic, just put it linear, and again sweep along guide. This is my section, and I want to cut this curve with respect to this, so trim curve to trim, and boundary, and just divide. Okay, so click apply. Again I will take this trim. My sweep along guide is not working because my guide is a little bit long, so again I'm going to draw this. So my this curve is the same, and click OK and draw one more line. Now dimension this, and dimension is accurate. Now hide the first one. On the second wheel left, now I will choose the sweep along guide, select the section, and then guide, and unite with this, and click OK. So my result will be like this, and this is accurate. Unite all this body and hide the sketches. Now I will assign this edge fillet radius is 1.5, and here it is 0.5. So I choose this as 4, and cancel it. Here just double click and preserve shape and click OK. So edges will preserve. Now I will use this. Okay. And this dimension is 4, and apply. And now I will click on this edge. This radius is 1.5, and another corner. Apply and click on this edge. This radius is 0.5. I'll click OK. Hide this. So my result is like this, and now I will use this shell command. I don't need this face and this face. I want to remove these, and the thickness is 0.5, and click OK. Now just extrude this curve in reverse direction and subtract and OK. Now hide this. Select this face and click OK. Now I want this circle, doubling this, and the diameter is 4.875 into 2. Now close this and cut it, extrude, click in reverse direction and subtract another plane. But extrude height, reduce the height and click OK. Now hide this. Now last step is remaining, only this base, so I will draw this from the front view. Just click a project curve and I will project this. Okay, now draw a rectangle, click, delete this and extend this curve and trim this. Now only dimension remains, so let's dimension. 15.8.7 is the distance, 7.5 is the distance, and thickness is 0.4. Enter. Now finish the sketch and extrude this by using symmetry value, and value is 4, and unite and click OK and hide the sketch. And 4 holes are there, so I will click on this face and draw a circle, and the diameter of the circle is 4 point. Diameter is 0.41. Enter. And distance is 1. And 0.75. Now finish this and cut this in reverse direction and OK. First I will mirror this and then I will project this. So let's choose this mirror feature, mirror this with this plane and click OK. Now I will take this pattern and select this hole, and linear first direction is this, and the gap is 2 and number of items is 4, and second direction click, distance is 13.5 and click OK. So my second part is ready. If you want to color it, just go to view and apply, click any color, and save this as upper option. So thank you for watching.